Hi everyone! Adrian here, and today meron akong i-share sa inyo one of my favorite free application in Windows 10 and 11. There are lots of undiscoverable application, and I am going to share them to you today. So let's jump on the computer and let's get started. I want to show you how you can use an app that comes free and pre-installed with Windows 10 and 11 to record your screen, and it is called Xbox Game Bar. Yes, I know Xbox is in the name of the video game console. Pero hindi po tayo maglalaro. Ang gagawin po natin is to record a window ng application. Now, to launch the game bar, meron tayong dalawang options to open it. First is go down to the taskbar and within the search field, type natin yung word na game bar. And you should see this Xbox game bar. Let's click on this to open. Second is using keyboard shortcut by pressing the Windows logo key on your keyboard together with the G key. So, this is the interface. Ito po yung main menu ng Xbox Game Bar. Here, in the top left-hand corner, there's a window for capture. This is what we are going to use to capture our screen. Okay, as an example, mag-open po tayo ng browser. And once again, hit natin yung keyboard shortcut Window plus G to open the game bar. And once nag-open na ang game bar, pwede na tayong mag-record. Just click on the button to start recording. Now, the recording is active. On my page, pwede na tayong mag-scroll down or pwede na tayong mag-narrate, no, whatever I want to do. At pagtapos na tayong mag-record, just open it back again, the Xbox game bar. Then, hit natin yung stop button. Then, automatically, our recorded screen is here. We can preview this one by simply clicking the play button. Okay, let's play it. Now, the recording is active. On my page, pwede na tayong mag-scroll down or game bar. Natin yung stop. Or we can open the file by using the Explorer. We will click this, then click continue. So, yun, my recorded screen. So, let's open this. Okay. Now, the recording is active. On my page, pwede na tayong mag-scroll down, game bar, then hit na. Okay, so that's it. Simple lang gamitin yung Xbox game bar natin. Now, if gusto nating mag-adjust ng settings, punta lang tayo dito sa gear icon na ito, no? To adjust all sorts of features related to game bar. So, we have the shortcuts, the control bar, accounts, widget menu, personalization, capturing, game features, and feedback. Okay, then on the left corner also below the capture, we can see the audio. We can adjust the audio quality of the speaker and the system sound. Now, ang tanong is the Xbox Game Bar the best screen recorder? Well, It's not the best, but it comes free and pre-installed with Windows. At it does a decent job, lalo na kung wala tayong ibang recorder. This is a great screen recorder to use. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, please give the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to leave it down below in the comments and I'll do my best to respond to them. Anyway, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next time. Bye-bye.